What's going on, guys? I'm gonna be working on this roll-off dumpster. I bought this probably a couple months ago. A couple things I want to weld up, and let me just start off saying I ain't a professional welder, I'll tell you that. So when I bought this thing, after I started using it, so there's the dumpsters over there. I don't know if you can tell, see them, but anyways, it's a roll-off trailer. So this is for my dump, and the up and the down. So how they did this, I want to take these brackets and put them on the outside, and you'll see why here in just a minute. So let's turn this on. And so this wire is going back to right here, all the way down to right here to the pump, electric motor. So when I turn that on, so let's say I get to somebody's house and I want to lift this up to drop a dumpster. You see it's starting to pull on these wires right here, if you can tell. You see how there's no slack? And I don't even know why they made it that way. This really should be on the outside on the frame. You see how this goes down, down and up? So these brackets need to go on the side here. So let's do that now. And then also, what I also do is I put wood down before I put the dumpsters, because then it, sometimes it scrapes the driveway up. So I'm gonna put some kind of holder in here for my wood. But let's get started. Alright, so I cut those off, and I'm gonna clean it up. I don't know if I want to put them here. No, I don't think it's gonna work. I think I might have to put them here. One here, one here. I think that's a good spot. Alright, let's get the welder out. I thought I started recording, but I didn't, I guess. Clean these up pretty good. Here's the other one. I'll probably clean this one up a little bit better. Got my 2 marks where I want it. Something like that. So I want to show y'all this welder. It's a Miller. I'm not sure the model, 211. It's not mine, it's my stepdad's, but it works really good. And like I said, I'm not a professional welder, and I don't claim to be, but this isn't anything structural, so I think I should be able to get it done. So let's get after it. I tried to tell you it wasn't gonna be perfect. I mean, for what it needs. That's it. I mean, it's just gonna be holding some wire. So let me clean it up, and then let's see what it looks like. Not the best for sure, but once I put paint over it, it'll be fine. It'll do what I need it to do. So, won't be too mean.